Hey, thanks for popping into my channel. Please adjust your sound. Yeah, right. You never know what you're going to get into here. Now, I've been doing this carnivore thing. Now, here's my breakfast I had this morning. Right, ribeye steak with spices and 3 eggs. Some reason I always do 3 eggs, but that's not what we're going to do today. Say it with me. Let's go to the lab and do something. So I'm on this carnivore diet. I've been doing ribeye steaks. So I figured why not kick it up a little bit. Some ribeye steak with some mozzarella cheese, nicely stacked, and bang, there's a mozzarella and ribeye bomb. Whatever. Right? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I am limited on what I can have, really. Meat. So some people don't say cheese. Cheese is fine with me. So there you go, right? And what are we going to do with this? Well, what I did was I kind of began to slice it into strips, trying to keep the cheese on the best I can. Okay. Then I get it all into kind of chunks, right? And then from chunks into one of my favorite bowls. Right? And so there's cheese covered prime rib, and then on top of that, yep, three eggs, right? Sunny side up, kind of loveliness. Uh, nice, nice. So there's my protein, my confusion. I don't know. Would you eat that? Right? I think it's pretty yummy. So you know what to do. Right? Like, subscribe, leave a comment, do something later.